Hello traders, and in this video we're going to be talking about the crypto exchange market. Okay, so what is the crypto exchange market? It is just something that's been just recently introduced in 2008 with the advent of Bitcoin. Okay, and right now a lot of people say, and this is what we also believe in, that it's here to stay. It's not going to go, right? So these are basically the crypto exchange market. What they are is they are digital and decentralized. Okay, that's what I mentioned over here. Digital and they're decentralized currencies. Now, what do they all mean? Digital, it's a bit more self-explanatory, so it's all virtual. And the next one is decentralized. Okay, what does decentralized mean? This is what I put a question mark here. Decentralized basically means that you're not going through one centralized medium anymore. If you actually look into the economic structures of most countries, most of them will operate with a central bank, okay, Federal Reserve Central Bank, where most of the decisions and the monetary transactions are going through. So with the advent of these currencies, the whole idea was to decentralize it so that it's not going through one centralized medium. This was the whole idea of blockchain, of digital, of cryptocurrencies. Now, the next part then is what type of technology are they based on? Some of you may have heard, it's known and is called blockchain technology. Okay, all of these cryptocurrencies are based on this type of technology, and what is so good about it? It's that it's basically an incorruptible, decentralized digital ledger of economic transactions. Wow, that is quite a mouthful, is it not? It's not only financial, but anything of value. So what do we mean basically here? It's basically the whole idea of this technology. It is so that all transactions can be visibly seen and is transparent all at the same time. That is the whole basis of this, and that is why they call it a digital ledger of any kind of transactions. No need necessarily to be financial, but anything of value. Okay. Now we move on to the market size and liquidity of the crypto exchange market. So for example, the Bitcoin market, as you can see, is rapidly expanding, and as of now is $11 billion and growing. Now the next one, is one of the other main ones, is the Ethereum cryptocurrency based on the Ethereum technology, Ethereum platform, but it's all blockchain, and that is about $43 billion and growing. And finally, the other one is known as the Ripple cryptocurrency, and that is about $18 billion and growing. Now, what people expect is that for the cryptocurrency market to grow and almost hit $1 trillion. Okay, that is, as you know from our previous videos, that's $1,000 billion. Now for the price increments of the cryptocurrency market, as I've mentioned in all the other videos, as in just in any other market, the smallest price increment that can happen, and in any economic transaction, the smallest one that can happen, as we know by now, is what we call a penny. That is in the UK, right? So for example, that would be the 2 decimal points over here, which is 0.01, and then we then call it a penny basically over here. But in other markets, this can be also called, a cent, as in the US markets. And in the China or in India, it can be different terminologies. But the point remains the same, which is it's just 2 decimal points. Now, in the cryptocurrency market, what we have is the smallest price increment that can happen is what we call cents. Okay, and that would be 0.01. So just normal as our usual transactions. And the reason why it's cents is because it's actually correlated to the dollar. That's what it is. Okay, that brings us to the end of this module over here on cryptocurrency. So we looked at the usual topics of what is it, market size and liquidity, and the price increment. Now we move on to the next market. We trust you enjoyed our Traders Education Center tech video. To unlock the full tech modules for free, click on the link below and hit
the subscribe button. Then go ahead to register with your contact details and create your unique username and password to enjoy the fully unlocked tech modules.